Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure TD Bank credit card autopay and payment dates, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the TD Bank website. Log into your TD Bank online account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab in the main menu. Scroll down and select Credit Cards from the drop-down options. Choose the credit card account you wish to configure for autopay. Look for the Payments section on the account dashboard. Click on Set up Autopay or a similar option available. You will be prompted to select your payment amount. Choose between paying the full balance, the minimum payment, or a custom amount. Next, decide how often you want the autopay to occur. Select your preferred payment date from the options provided. Review the payment schedule and ensure all details are correct. Once verified, click on Confirm to finalize the autopay setup. You will receive a confirmation notification indicating the autopay is now active. If needed, navigate back to the Payments section to check or modify your autopay settings. That's it. Your TD Bank credit card autopay is now successfully configured. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.